Hey Ronald, good morning. It's Michael with GPS and Track. I got your email about the GPS trackers for the rental equipment. I wanted to kind of show you what this would look like. This is the tracker right here. This is by far best seller. It's got a 5-year battery life. We handle a lot of rental companies. The biggest issues you're going to be running into is obviously at times getting the equipment back, but you got to watch out for fraud. That's something that's been really apparent lately with synthetic IDs, synthetic credit cards, where people come in, not be who they say they are, and then take off with your equipment. This is what the platform would look like. So you're going to see all your devices on the left side. What's really nice about this is you know exactly where they are. It's not just an address. It's the parking space it's in. You can set up things like geofencing, after hours alerts where, let's just say for the sake of argument, you wanted to, if it's going to be at a job site, you want to be alerted if it leaves, you could set up a geofence. You can make this as big or small as you need. After hours alerts are great where, if rental equipment's probably be used from like 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. Monday through Friday, that can be suspicious. It'll alert you. But you just want to know where your equipment's at, especially if somebody doesn't bring it back or it gets stolen from them, which happens quite a bit. We just had that with the Turo rental car yesterday. Anyway, I'm in the office, 480-292-9579. We keep it really simple, and more importantly, we're hands-on. Like, we're here. Call us, we pick up the phone. Our goal is on the first ring. We'll talk soon. Oh, hey. The easiest way to get a hold of me is call me direct, 480-292-9579, or just reply back to my email.